Find integral sec x plus tan x whole square dx. So here we have to find value of integral sec x plus tan x whole square dx. So in order to find value of this integral, at first we are going to expand this function, that is sec x plus tan x whole square. On expanding, we will get sec square x plus tan square x plus 2 sec x tan x, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In the next step, we are rewriting tan square x using this, that is tan square x equal to sec square x minus 1. So we get sec square x plus sec square x minus 1 plus 2 sec x tan x. What is sec square x plus sec square x? That is 2 sec square x, integral of 2 sec square x minus 1 plus 2 sec x tan x dx. So this function is now in an integrable form. Next we are going to integrate each and every term here, that is, which is equal to 2 into integral of sec square x dx minus integral of 1 dx plus 2 into integral of sec x tan x. Okay, 2 is a constant, so we have taken it outside here. Now, what is the integral of sec square x, that is tan x? What is integral of 1, that is x? What is integral of sec x tan x, that is sec x? So what is our result here? 2 tan x minus x plus 2 sec x plus c. So our final result is 2 sec x plus 2 tan x minus x plus c.